Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add or transfer money from Chime to Cashapp. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to open your Cashapp, and here what you have to do is click on your profile icon and then click on linked bank accounts. And here you can see you have the option to add a bank account using debit card. So here you have to click on link your bank account and then click on continue. And over here you can see the Chime option. So what you have to do is click on this Chime option that is given, and once you do that, just click on continue. So after you do that, you'll be redirected to a web page where you have to authenticate with your Chime application and your account will be authenticated. Next, what you can do is just click on this $20 icon, and then you can just click on add cash. So here you will be able to add your cash from Chime to directly into the Cashapp. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.